오늘도 화이팅!
1. 빈자리로 옮겨도 될까요?
Can I move to that vacant seat?
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 2. 식사 전에 깨워주세요.
Wake me up before meals.
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 3. 비행기 멀미약은 있습니까?
Do you have medicine for airsickness?
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 4. 어떤 담배가 있습니까?
What cigarettes do you have?
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 5. 이건 있습니까?
Do you have this?
Do you have this?
Do you have this?
Do you have this?
6. 한국어 잡지는 있습니까?
Do you have Korean magazines?
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 7. 한국 돈을 받습니까?
Do you accept Korean won?
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 8. 무얼 드시겠습니까?
What would you like to drink?
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 9. 맥주는 있습니까?
Do you have beer?
Do you have beer?
Do you have beer?
Do you have beer?
10. 어떤 브랜드입니까?
Which brand do you have?
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 11. 오렌지 주스를 하나 더 주세요.
Another orange juice, please.
Another orange juice, please.
Another orange juice, please.
Another orange juice, please.
12. 치킨으로 하시겠어요? 비프로 하시겠어요?
Chicken or beef?
Chicken or beef?
Chicken or beef?
Chicken or beef?
13. 비프로 주세요.
Beef, please.
Beef, please.
Beef, please.
Beef, please.
14. 어떤 종류의 음료가 있습니까?
What kind of drinks do you have?
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 15. 여보세요, 헤드폰이 없습니다.
Excuse me, I don't have a headset.
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 16. 오, 죄송합니다. 갖다 드리겠습니다.
Oh, sorry about that.
Oh, sorry about that.
Oh, sorry about that.
Oh, sorry about that.